Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix slow download speed on Telegram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to click on the gear icon on the top right and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Telegram. Here you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back and you simply need to open Telegram. Okay, so once you've done that, you simply need to click on this search icon on the top right. Here you need to search for link to FileSpot. Here you need to click on start and you need to share the link here, and here you can see that send any document to get a direct download link. So share link here, and after that you are able to download it in a fast speed. So this is the process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.